Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. So today is our first meeting for our assignment, and we are required to do an assignment regarding pressure in pipe. So for this assignment, we are required to So from this diagram, there are two line up. Line up apa nama? Okay, for this assignment, there is two hose configuration. First one is the straight pipe, and the second one is the water loop, closed loop. So from this configuration, we will determine the inlet and outlet pressure, velocity, and also the density of water. And we will conduct an analysis by using the software to run simulation in pipe. Okay, for the equipment that we need, I will hand over to Amen to brief about the equipment. Okay, Amen.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we will brief about the equipment. So the equipment we will use 3/5 mm diameter single connector, and we are using one socket for 16 mm T connector and 5 meter of 16 mm pipe, hose pipe, that pipe. So we will use one 10 ml measurement cup and one hose clip. So the other thing we will use also the stopwatch. Compared to the uh, other group, they are using the uh, hose orange pipe. So for the orange pipe, I think we are no need to use because they will get they will not get the accurate diameter of the pipe. So I already survey at the Shopee. So as you can see in my Shopee, I will add to chat the three things that we'll buy. That is the single connector, T connector, and the black pipe. So the price are very cheapest for me. They are around only 15 ringgit include shipping. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, Isak, can you brief about the setting for the pipe? I mean the configuration. So there are two configurations, straight and closed loop. Just brief about how the length of the pipe and how many water outlets you use.
Okay, for the first figuration, we have here the straight line water hose. We use about 10 nozzle. This one, first nozzle, 3.5 mm diameter single, no connector. This nozzle, we t- uh, we we took that about 10. You plug that about 10, 10, 10 nozzle for 5 meter hose pipe, and from the pipe. Okay, for the second one, hose configuration is closed loop. We use the same pipe. We just connect the T connector at the end of first piping, and we connect to the inlet, and we get the closed loop water. Yes, that's it. Just that. Okay, okay. That's it from me. Thank you.
Okay, guys, any question regarding the configuration? Maybe you want to know how we conduct the experiment.
Amit, how long will the things how long will it take for the things to arrive? The duration.
The time estimate from the shipping around 1.5 week.
Okay.
So
Right.
the experiment we can run before the time to submit this experiment.
Right.
Amir, hello?
Yes.
Sorry. How much cost to build this project?
For this project, we estimate around 20 ringgit. Include the all things, include shipping and the other things we need to finish this project. So, uh, for me, these are very cheapest because in our group we have around 5%. So 20 divide by times divide. So 20 divide by 5 around 20 divide by 5 around
4
4
ringgit.
ringgit 4%, yes.
What about the place? Have you all discussed where are we going to conduct the experiment?
I think we do it in my house.
We'll do it in our.
Okay. Alright, noted.
So for the experiment, we will open up the water supply, and then we will measure the flow rate. So to measure the flow rate, we have a beaker, and then we will collect around 200 ml and record the time. So this data that we gain, we will use it for analysis using the ANSYS simulation. So, right. For the ANSYS, anyone have the software?
What type of software?
ANSYS.
No, bro, I don't have.
I try download lah.
Try download first.
Okay, no problem. When we want to do the experiment?
Around this week.
This week. Alright.
So when we're done with the everything analysis experiment, we will have another meeting to discuss about the presentation. So maybe one person will do the minute meeting, and the others will give each one task for the presentation. So any further question you guys want to ask?
Who want to conduct the experiment?
Anyone?
Ahmed, do you free?
Okay, I'm free. I will conduct the experiment because the item I buy, so I will conduct the experiment. I will know when the item we receive. So estimate by next week lah.
Do you do it alone or you want assistant or helper?
For me, we should do by group because I want everyone get the knowledge how to conduct the experiment, how to measure the flow rate. So I think we are doing together.
I agree.
Okay.
So I think that's all for this meeting. We'll see you in the next meeting after we have done the experiment.
All right. Thank you, bro. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Everyone.
Start record. Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So this is our second meeting for our assignment, and we have conducted the experiment, and I will share with you guys the data. And for the data, I will let Isak to brief about our findings. Mike.
Yes, Assalamualaikum. Okay, we have conduct two experiment for straight line and loop pipe. We use 10 nozzle for each experiment. For the first experiment, we take the quantity of water for 200 ml and take time to water reach 200 ml. And we calculate the flow rate based on the time and the quantity of water. Same goes to second experiment for loop pipe. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, from this data, we also have run an analysis. Allah. Nampak kan?
Okay.
Okay, from this analysis, we got velocity, and this is data from the analysis. Velocity and then pressure, density, viscosity. Same goes to the loop pipe. So from this analysis, we will make a presentation slide. So
Okay.
okay, from the analysis, we will make a slide presentation. So each one of us will take one part. And for Amir, can you do the introduction and objective?
Yes. For me, I will do introduction and objective.
Then I will take the analysis for the presentation. And for Isak, he will present the data and how we set up the pipe. Okay, for Jeremy, can you do the presentation for calculation?
Can, bro. I can do the calculation for the flow rate and also the velocity. I'll do a presentation of it.
So I'll just share you the data and then you proceed with presentation.
Okay, bro. Sure.
Okay, for the last part, leave it to Faris for discussion and conclusion.
All right, we do the conclusion and discussion.
So each one of you just make a slide for your part and then record the video and then send to me. So I'll just compile the video.
Bro, I got paste it.
Yeah.
For the 10 holes, must I present for everything or how? The 10 boxes. Just present one.
Just a few also okay.
Okay.
Just simple calculation.
Right.
Okay, anything else? Any questions?
No question. Clear.
Clear?
Okay.
Clear, clear.
Okay.
Alright. So if nothing else, we'll end our meeting and then proceed with the presentation.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay, bro.
Thank you.
Yo.
Thank you, thank you.
Kita compile bila?